In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zendesk reports. Whether you're a beginner stepping into Zendesk for the first time or someone looking to enhance your reporting skills, by the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate Zendesk analytics and generate insightful reports tailored to your specific needs. First, let's start by accessing Zendesk Analytics. Begin by logging in to your Zendesk account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find an icon that looks like a bar chart. This is your gateway to Explore, the powerful analytics feature we've been gearing up to use. When you click on this analytics icon, you will land on the Explore home screen, a familiar starting point where the foundation of your report building journey begins. Now, it's time to choose a dataset. This is a crucial step as each dataset represents different types of data you may want to analyze. For instance, if you're interested in ticket metrics like open status, solved, or priority, you'd select Support Tickets. If tracking how tickets change over time is your focus, Support. Updates history is the way to go. Perhaps you're keen on understanding SLA performance better, or you want insights into your voice and chat interactions, in which case you might choose Talk, Chat, or Guide. Once you've got a dataset in mind, head over to the Queries tab and click on New Query. From there, select your dataset, like Support. Tickets, as an example. With your chosen dataset, you're now ready to build the query. In the Query Builder, start by selecting the metrics, essentially what it is you want to measure. This could be anything like the total number of tickets, the number of replies, or the time it takes for full ticket resolution. Next, determine the attributes, which indicate how you want to group your data. Options include using assignee names, ticket statuses, or creation dates, such as by month. An easy way to approach this is to think of it as what versus by what. Perhaps you're focusing on total tickets as your what, and maybe you're breaking this down by group or assignee as your by what. After loading your data, the next step is to choose a visualization. Located on the toolbar at the top, you'll find various chart types. While Zendesk defaults to a table, don't hesitate to select a format that resonates with you. Whether it's a column, line, or pie chart, picking a format that accentuates your data's insights is key. Following visualization, it's essential to filter and sort your data. Use the filter panel to narrow down your report to the most relevant details, such as recent tickets from the last 30 days, specific agents or groups, or to exclude spam or test tickets. Finally, saving the report wraps up the process. Simply click on Save, give your report a meaningful name, and choose a folder for its home base. From here, you have the versatility to integrate it with a dashboard later on, or to share it individually with colleagues or stakeholders. And there you have it, a comprehensive process to create insightful Zendesk reports.